next one is from Paul. Paul's question is, in the hybrid app, when execute the swipe action, I find the next object, but the action click is done in another position. Tell me about it. You know how solve this issue. Alright, so typical UI problem. I think this is a mobile app. Swipe, probably that's where it's coming from. So UI elements generally, I haven't per se worked on a mobile app with a swipe and have that problem, but generally UI problems where you have such elements which are not easy to capture, or you end up doing actions on the wrong object in the DOM. I always recommend that go a step behind the scene. For this specific action, if that swipe feature is not working, try to call the client side script, or if this is a mobile app, try to just send an API request instead. So definitely, as you do that action on the phone, there is an API call which is going behind the scene. So just for that step, call the API call instead of doing the UI, doing it through the UI. And it saves a lot of time, and it saves a lot of blood and tears if you go behind the scene, because you need to understand, as these front-end frameworks mature. For instance, if you're working with XJS, Sencha, or if you're working with Angular 4, Node.js, the DOM is really messed up for these products for the most part. It's and in some cases it's not easier, right? And you would have a different behavior probably on different browsers. So the easiest way to go around it is just call the client-side script, or call the API, or do the API call instead of doing the using the UI of the product.